Hey guys, let's check out Lalji Verma, a top notch military professional, retired air marshal from the IAF, with an astounding command over literature.
Hello, friends. I am Lalji Verma. I am an author for the last 30 years or so, and I have mainly written a number of poetry books in Hindi and English. My latest is an epic poem in English, Womb of Time, and also I have written on karma philosophy and socio-economic topic of Indian milieu. Thank you. We will talk more about the poetry. I have authored a number of books in poetry and will like to connect with you whenever and wherever it is required. Some of my books you can see at the background. Thank you.
Here is the interview glimpse we have taken with him for our magazine, The Big Market Journal. First of all, we have asked him that kindly comment on the type of work you do as an established author who enjoys a worldwide acclaim and good reader audience. For this, he has answered that I'm a retired Air Marshal from the IAF from the post of Director General Medical Services and have been interested in scientific writing and literature, such as poetry in Hindi and English, and many books on philosophy and contemporary social issues. My books are listed on Amazon.in and similar platforms. Next, we asked him that what are your recent works, describe them in brief. For this, he has answered that recent published work is Womb of Time, an epic poem in English, and most recent work, Selfish Mind, Slavish Body, a quest into self-identity, is with the publishers and should be available by May 2021. Next, we asked him that what are your plans for the near future and for the next 5 years, or where do you see yourself as an author in the next 5 years? For this, he has answered that write and write. The next planned book could be a novel, drawing mostly from my personal experiences. Lastly, we asked him that is there something you would like to add and share with your audience at large, such as your work ethic, principle or motive. For this, he has answered that there cannot be anything greater and satisfying during a retired life than reading and writing. But for writing, you have to develop a discipline, not only of the time, but also of the material you read. One can draw much motivation from the happenings around. There are plenty in the stock. So guys, we hope you have liked this awesome interview coverage, and in the end we wish that you find all the contact links of this author in the description box, and do not forget to subscribe us and kindly press the bell icon. Stay tuned.